Let's start with this one. If I can figure out where the angle here is. I think this is the right angle. There we go.
You can see it.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. I thought it was a cute little Eevee card, and it comes with at least one pack of the Brilliant Stars. So I thought, why not? Let's try this out. So I'll go ahead and open this. Let's check this out. I'm gonna be careful because I don't want to bend the Eevee card. However, I did get 2 of these packs. Now I got 2 because I have someone I want to give this Eevee card to. Well, one of them. So, what do you mean who? To a student.
Oh. I was like, like people buying this?
No, I'm gonna give it to a student of mine who loves Eevee.
I was like, you have a customer already.
So I'm just gonna put this in the sleeve.
It's a cute one. It's like snowy.
Yeah, it's really cute. I'm gonna put it in its top loader.
You're gonna give him like that?
No, I'm gonna give him the other one
Oh.
the regular
Like,
way.
okay. That's fancy.
No, imagine everyone else would be upset with me. Why did you
And
get
it'll
him?
be like, oh, look!
I know it hurts me, but I was like,
I was like, why is this
it's a cute card. I
in
love
the
this.
protector? Like, you should bend it.
All right, so now I'll go ahead and open the actual pack of cards. And it has a Whimsicott. Now, I do like Whimsicott, so hopefully Whimsicott did not let me down. So it essentially switches 4-10 weakness to ice to 4-10 weakness to poison.
So take notes, audience.
Bidoof, Electabuzz. Ooh, I see something good. An Urshifu. Do I have this one already? I'm not sure.
No, I think we have the
we have
other
2
one.
of these.
I think we have the other one.
I'll have to go through my stacks.
I think we have the other one. Or we can
Go
check
ahead
the
and slide this card in. And then once it's in its top loader, I'll go ahead and share it. Share more with everybody. Yeah, why not? It's not an ugly Eevee card.
This is not a pretty one.
You literally said he thought it was cute because of the snow.
No, because the holographic, the effects make it cute. See the... Oh, this is the same one.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's why. All right, there's Urshifu. Look at that. I like these trainer cards. I really love the art they do with these trainer cards. So it's really nice.
Are you gonna put Professor away?
I am. Although I think this is the second one I have.
There's always the protector for that.
I like it. I'll put this one in. Oh yeah, it is Professor Owen. It's his name right there.
Oh.
All right. I guess it's somebody. So.
Okay. Let's see my...
Ew. So aggressive. Alright, you can just put that aside. I'll do it away.
Okay.
Ooh, a shaman.
Let's see what we got in this one. Ooh.
Yeah, why'd you open it so ugly?
We're just gonna open that way. Okay. We have 1, 2, something there. 3, 4, 5.
Spiritomb, a nice one. Ooh, something right behind it though.
I think it's a rainbow. No, it's no.
Ooh! What are you doing? put it away.
What
What are you doing?
I'm just holding it.
I'm like, put it away. What are you doing? Don't let it touch the air.
How about I send it to space?
Oh shoot. Oh, now we have the Arceus V, and now we have Arceus V Star. Oh wow.
I put both of them, by the way.
Oh my, look at that. Look at that art. Look at how shiny it is. Oh shit.
Yay.
Trinity Nova.
Because I'm thinking like, maybe I should save this one for
A good start to a good high right there. I'm gonna put Spiritomb, this little shiny Spiritomb, in my folder. All right. Next, I got this Boltund pack. The extra large Boltund card. What I really like about this box, though, it's actually like there's a sensory part to it. Like it feels,
Does it?
yeah.
Oh,
Like it's not smooth. It has like a texture, so it's really cool. I actually really like this box. So, Mario Pikachu one didn't have that kind of texture. So, why did they give it to the Boltund? Huh? Makes you question that, doesn't it?
Is this supposed to be like tricky?
All right, let me put the Boltund away. All right, there's the Boltund. You'll see the flower patterns that he's talking about. This is a really cute card. Really cute card. All right, and then I'll put the Wooloo away as well. Comes with the Wooloo. This is the
The
Wooloo
first one
promo
and-
card that came with the Boltund. So the Wooloo promo card. Really cute. Really cute. All right. And then we have the extra large Boltund card here. With his tongue sticking out.
You should give that to the
Such a
kid.
cute. No.
I was like, ah!
Oh my gosh. It pains me. Don't remind me. All right. And then this one comes with four packs. So the Brilliant Stars with the Evolving
Oh,
Skies.
give me the...
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. I was like, I'll give you Gengar since you love Gengar. All right. So I'll start with the Evolving Skies, the older series. Open this one up. I love Rayquaza, I don't know the way it's pronounced. Some of these times these Pokemon names just don't have a easy pronunciation. Like I always thought Mantine, the manta ray Pokemon. I thought it was always called Mantine, but then I learned it was called Mantine. I was like, what the? Mantine? So weird, right? Alright, starting with the Scraggy rep in the front. Bagon, Woobat type. Ooh, Jumpluff! I love Jumpluff. Jumpluff was my Pokemon before Whimsicott.
Oh, yeah?
Because it just doesn't have the prankster ability. Ooh, Slugking.
What's
I
he
like
doing?
it. He's
Smashing the floor.
about to punch somebody. Ooh, Slugking. Now, Slugking was one of my original 6 when I first played through Pokemon Emerald. I didn't play Ruby or Sapphire. I played Emerald.
Why do you put him on the team?
Cool looking cards. Remember? Alright, and then I'll do my Charizard, Brilliant Stars. Charizard from this series has not come home. No version of him. We got all the other ones.
I'll pull him.
We haven't gotten Charizard. So I'm like,
I'll save it.
take a look. Dedenne. And nothing else. Alright. It was a bust.
This one from here. Because I saved the other one for TikTok.
Nice little cute little Gibble. Oh, there you go.
We have this one, right?
Yes, we do.
Oh.
We'll put them away. Then we'll show everybody. Bibarel. The utility
I like
Pokemon.
this one. This one looks good.
People just... He was the HM Pokemon. Because I just
yeah?
gave him all my HMs. Because he could look rock climb,
All right.
surf,
Yeah, I remember.
waterfall. He learned them all.
Want to do one more?
You didn't show it to everybody, did you?
Oh. Right here.
Bibarel. All right. We got one more for today. This is a promotional tin with Espeon on it. I like Espeon. Now, I remember when I first played through.
How many in there?
I'm not sure how many are in here.
What is
5
Just
booster
open it.
packs. All right, 5 booster packs in here.
Oh, then let me open one first.
Huh?
Then let me open one first.
Well, if I can open this tin. There we go. Oh, really cool tin. All right. I'll start by putting the Espeon away. Ooh. A lot of plastic here. I think they have to find a way to reduce the plastic use here. All right.
Put it in the paper bag.
And there's Espeon. Espeon V. Nice. All right. Okay, so now we'll divvy up the 5.
This one.
The 5.
Oh.
All right, and we're gonna split this up, right? Which ones did you want to do? All right. I'll start with the Genesect Fusion Strike. See what you have in store for me, Genesect. All right, let's take a look. Azumarill with a nice little shiny card. All right, nothing for me. Nothing special in this set. Guys.
I didn't even realize that you finished.
All right. I'm just showing you my hand. Open this up. Oh, the little cute Pikachu card right here in the beginning. Such a cute card. A Nickit. Gorgeist. Nothing again, man. Bad luck today. Ooh, my first Pyroar. I don't have that. Go ahead and put that away too. Store that. And then Whimsicott. You never let me down, right, Whimsicott? Come on. Show me
Charizard.
the Pokemon. Alright, we got a Snorunt, Baltoy, Nosepass, Milcery, Dusclops, Flygon. Nothing! I got crap. Nothing.
I'm gonna open this too. Hopefully I get something good. Or just something.
We have to get something.
Imagine opening this $100 bill in there.
Well, that would be nice.
I'll take that one. Ah! Where did it go? Oh, I was like, what was that?
having fun with the blinds. What? What?
Something is in there. Do you see that something?
I do. What is it? Mimikyu!
That's a cute one.
Oh, flash it right now. Let me put it away. It's a trainer cartoon.
That's cute. You got that one?
Almost completed. All right, flash that baby. That's a cute card. I love these trainer cards. They're just so cute.
I like the purple. Typically, I don't like purple. Oh, okay, go. That's purple.
This one has to have something good too.
Probably not. I see a trainer card. That's supposed to be after that?
After it, maybe.
No.
Oh, wow, that was a bust. Espeon let us down.
Lucky Energy. I think this is the first time I see this one.
I don't know if we have gotten that one before.
I think we got those two, like the looking ones, like this one, like two balls, but never got the single one.
All right. Well, I guess that's it for the stream.
Yep, and we'll open this one on our TikTok, and we'll have fun over there. Hopefully, we get something good.
Yes, we will get something good.
Okay, thank you for watching. As always.